Hello, welcome to Toscana Valley, a small Italy built in the middle of Thailand. It's very strange, very lovely. Let's check it out. Yeah, the flags on the top is just a friendly reminder that we are still in Thailand, we are not in Italy. Now we checked in to the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and it's round. We are staying in a round tower, so of course everything is round. As you can see, the walls are slightly curved also, so yeah, it's a very interesting feeling. Find a piece of Europe in Thailand. It even comes with a little kitchen. Also have a little golf cart that can take us around the area in case it's too sunny or too far to walk. Let's take a ride. The construction of Toscana Valley began in 2007 and lasted until 2017. Better hold on to your hat. Windy today. About 830 acres of jungle was cleared to build this Roman countryside. How Italian it is. This is exactly like a small town you may find in southern Europe. Of course, lakes and golf courses. I used to have a cat with a short tail like that. Her name was Sara. Wow, small coffee shops and... Oh, vino! I like the sound of that. Buongiorno, un bicchiere di vino rosso, por favore. Grazie. Very good, thank you. That was great. Now let's move on to the next place. Toscana Valley is located next to the Khao Yai National Park. Here you will experience the best air quality index in Thailand. This is also one of the world's best ozone sources. So weird and wonderful at the same time. As the light comes out, it's a really beautiful little town square. Now we're gonna have some nice wine, and we're gonna have this Australian ribeye steak with vegetables, and of course the wine. It's really delicious. Someone wants to join the dinner. Cheers. Burger Mafia. Hello there, fishes. This is Toscana Valley in Thailand, a mini Italy in Thailand. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in the next one. Bye bye.